Hi, in this video I'm going to teach you a technical exercise for the intermediate level to work on your hand independence. So my name is Marine and welcome to Online Rock Lessons. Alright, so before we start, don't forget to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button just below this video. Alright, so for this exercise, I'm using a chord progression, so it's very melodic and we can play it with a backing track. So let me show you how it sounds first. So let's start by talking about the key of this exercise. We're going to be in the key of E minor, and this is why we're going to have an F sharp at the key signature. So we just need to remember that. Now we are going to be in 4/4, so we have 4 beat of quarter notes in each measure. And actually we're going to play 16 notes in this exercise. So now for the chord that we're going to use, we're going to need the E minor chord, that is going to be E, G, and B. And we're going to need a C major chord, that is going to be C, E, and G. But for this one, we're going to use the first inversion right here. It's going to be E, G, and C. If chord inversion is not something that you're familiar with, make sure you watch my video. I'm going to put it in the card just right here. All right, so C major, E, G, and C, first inversion. And we need the D major chord, that is D, F sharp, and A, and also gonna be in the first inversion right here, F sharp, A, and D. So we said E minor, C major, D major. Now let's start with the right hand. So in the right hand, we're gonna start right here. And what's gonna happen is we're gonna be playing the note of the chord, but more like an arpeggio. So one after the other, very separate. So we're gonna be starting with E. We're gonna go to G, to B, and then we go back to G, to B, to G, E, G, and again. So E, G, B, G, B, G, E, G. So if I do that with a small tempo here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you go for E minor. Now C major, so it would be this one. So we're gonna go from E minor and we're gonna start with E, G, C, G, C, G, E, G, E, G, C, G, C, G, E, and G. So it sounds like 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that. And now we're gonna go to D major. So we're gonna go here with the thumb on F sharp. So it's gonna be F sharp, A, D, A, D, A, F sharp, A again, F sharp, A, D, A, D, A, F sharp, and A right here. So it sounds like 1, 2, 3, 4, and we go back to E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have repeat signs over here, so we're going to do the whole thing twice, and on the second time, we're going to go to the whole note here on E to end. So I'm going to play the right hand one more time, so it sounds like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you have the repeat signs, and we go to this whole note right here. So this exercise is from my technical book, Train Like a Rockstar 2. And by the way, if you're interested in these books, I'm going to put the link in the description below so you can get them. All right, now let's look at the left hand. So the left hand is also going to be playing the same chords, but instead of playing from E going to B, we're going to do the contrary motion here. So we're going to start from B and we're going to go down. So it's going to be B, G, E, G, E, G, B, G. And again, B, G, E, G, E, G, B, and G. So it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. And we go to the C major chord. So C, G, E, G, E, G, C, G, C, G, E, G, E, G, C, and G. And it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And D major chord here. So D, A, F sharp, A, F sharp, A, D, A, D, A, F sharp, A, F sharp, A, D, A. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we end on the E minor chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, we have the repeat sign, so you play that whole thing twice and you end on E right here on a whole note. All right, I'm gonna play the left hand again from the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you end on here after the repeat signs. Alright, so there you go for separate hands. Make sure you practice them slowly with a metronome. Now when you're ready, we're gonna play that both hands. So place your fingers right here, the thumb on B and E. And we go like this. So G, E and B, up, down. And same thing. There you go. And we go to the C major chord. So the thumb right here, and we're gonna go to G. Up here. We go to D major chord, so the thumb here on the right hand and the left hand on D right here. And we go back to E minor. The whole thing one more time. And we end on E right here, on the bottom and on the top. Alright, so there you go, practice this, and if you'd like to have the sheet music and the backing track I use, I'm gonna put a link in the description just below so you can download them. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this mock video. Make sure you visit our website at onlinerocklessons.com to see more about the courses and the memberships and all the free content we have for you to learn how to play piano. So have fun and have a good practice.